Hello, this is Miss Lardy, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for your Google Classroom and see my EClass page. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that you go to the Sycamore website and click on My EClass Page. You can also just Google EClass Page Gwinnett. You will enter your student ID number as the username and password. If you do not know that, please contact your child's homeroom teacher. You will click on EClass Course Page. And at the very top, you will click on the little 9 dots that we call the waffle. In the waffle, you should see the name 2021 Lardy K-12 Specials Math. If not, you can also look in your course pages. Once you're on my page, you will see at the very top this week's news. I will have a slideshow each week with the classes that I have coming to me. For example, in 5th grade, Mrs. Daniel and Mrs. Singletary are coming to me. It will also have a schedule of each week. It has the time slot that your child will come and join me on a Zoom session. Now, let's say I have a 5th grader at home that I want to add to my Google Classroom. For Mrs. Singletary's class, I have the code DWD5YHM. I'm going to copy this code to be able to create my Google Classroom. One place you might be able to access Google Classroom is by finding the icon Classroom at the top of your screen. The other place is to go back to your EClass homepage and click on G Suite for Education. At the top of your G Suite, you're also going to click on the waffle, which is just the 9 dots at the top. It has the link for Google Classroom. I will hit the plus sign to add a new classroom. I will type in Miss Singletary's classroom code, DWD5YHM. Now, if your child is a 1st grader or a 2nd grader or any other grade, they're going to make sure that they copy that teacher's specific code. Then I will click Join. Now, I am now part of Miss Lardy's Math Specials for Miss Singletary's class. Thank you.